Lot there to you. In this video, we're going to figure out if the demand or the place on the demand curve is elastic or inelastic. So we're going to use Google Sheets to do that. We're going to do that with something called the revenue test. So I'm going to copy this table here. This is quantity demanded. This is total revenue. And this is demand, whether it's elastic, inelastic, or unit elastic. And so just a couple of things here. You can highlight all of that, make that bold. If you would rather use the acronyms, you'll see commonly in economics, you'll see P, Q, D, TR, and like price elasticity of demand. So these are the same way. We can copy both of those. We can put them centered. We can make them bold. Okay, so then we're going to copy the price here. Then we'll also copy the quantity demanded. And one thing you can do is you can copy, as long as it sees it's a pattern, it's going up by 10. Just check your bottom numbers there, make sure they're the same. Okay, so now I don't really need that anymore. And I can be up here. Okay, so total revenues formula is price times quantity. So put that right here, price times quantity. And so I'm just going to write a formula here. You're going to hit equals. It already knows what I'm doing. I don't know why, but price, you click on that price, click on that quantity. I guess I did it backwards. It doesn't matter now. And then I hit enter. And that's a big number. We can turn it into money if you want. If you want to add more cents, I don't think you need to. Okay, so there you go, $1.9 million. And then you could go through and do the same thing, or we could just grab this like ball here, and we're going to copy that all the way down. Okay, now if we're always increasing our quantity, but if by lowering the price we make more total revenue, then it's elastic. So from here to here, we lowered our price from $14.40 to $14.30. We made a higher total revenue, so that means it's elastic. Okay. Then I lowered the price from here to here, made more total revenue, also elastic. Then I lowered the price, going from here to here, also elastic. Now I lowered the price and it's the same. So this is the one point where you are unit elastic. Okay. Now by lowering the price, it looks like I made less total revenue. That's your inelastic range. Okay. Then same thing, 800 down to 400, that's also inelastic. And then 3,400 down to 2,800, that's also inelastic. And that's how to use Google Sheets to use the revenue test and find out what your elasticity is.